Sunshine. Sunshine is a girl who had so much promise, who had big, big dreams, who had such a bright future ahead of her. Pero nadapa, nagkamali. This feels so familiar to me. And I know the feeling of almost losing everything. Matatanong mo sa sarili mo kung ititigil mo na lang ba, kung burado na ba yung sarili mo. Pero hindi. Sa storya ni Sunshine, pinili niya mabuhay ang mga pangarap niya. This award is for all of the sunshine in this world. Sa lahat ng mga kababaihan at sa karapatan nating piliin ang mga sarili nating katawan. Sa lahat ng mga nadapa, bangon lang. Kung maingay man, drown out the noise and remember who you are. Thank you so much.
Please welcome Bar Boys after-school cast member Feliz Malvar and actor Richard Juan.